Yes, sir, no.
Cut off piece of that yard.
Yes, sir.
Look on the chassis now. Look on the chassis now. Look around on the finger. See?
Where you do?
You know, like the work point there and bust there, so, and a space there, so, and them a patch it out. See the better, man? I chassis this, you know.
Oh. Oh, gosh.
So, them do I make it work, man, it do.
My God, so you have to wheel it up back.
Do I start out?
You take out the engine before you do it, though, and take out, move the wire them before you do all of them there.
Not take out the engine, but transmission. You know, if you move out of the waste, now I'm going to. Yes, so,
Charger, no. So, when you carry drive, it shake?
yeah, the whole front is shake.
I never feel my front of my car shake, still.
One of them places. When the students are strong, you're not going to feel it so easy. But you go fast and lick a patrol, you feel it.
Charger?
I look on the and say, I'm kind of murdered to look on this. I'll show you by the car.
Okay, someone get the car. I've never done them kind of work the planet yet, you know? So someone get it. I like a rat, it's rat and bust off.
No man, look so. Then come to us, wait to find a way back.
Okay.
And I remember something. I probably delete and then cut out a piece there. Drop the piece and then remember.
Okay. So you're going on now? Talk to the people and people them know where I'm going.
What I do right now, I pull out here, so. You get the transmission,
You pull the transmission?
the bracket. You put it down and that's. When this engine come up, that can go down. And thing. It have to pull.
Okay.
Now when the engine come down, you have to take out.
The transmission can go down?
You have to move too. That's a draw.
Okay.
That not do, and then me go to a boat, I give all my time.
Alright.
Okay.
So these are them wire good enough?
Yeah man, I don't think none of them.
Alright.
Not damage none of them.
Alright.
The main thing is the socket them is plugging out.
Alright, the socket then?
Yeah, I took the damage no.
Alright.
One tube man, you have to decide to come out. One tube with the pan. Or you don't put it. When I fly more slides to get the space or so, to draw it out. That's why we have to go tamper the transmission.
Oh.
So I'm a Chris man.
So you pull off them there? You take off them there, boy. You take off them off right up.
Yeah? Yeah man, I pull out when the engine come out, I just disconnect the wire there. Take out the engine with the thing them pan it.
Okay.
Everything on it, then we just scrap it at the same time. When they pass him pan that.
Just do your work diligently, yes sir.
Look at how man, look at how I have common sense and that's why then I work with the boss and the boss show me for do, you know. And when he come back, you know, he think me, when he go he might give certain man certain work for do, and me him car. You know, no old, you know, no engine back when I look at green in the night, just in the night.
Engine oil. Wow. See the thing them, when I sit on the beer. Brake fuel can you use?
Not supposed to hold him back again.
Put on, put on. People, boy. From morning, them they are working on the people. Yesterday, them say a bolt I give him trouble. On the muffler, bolt now come out. He only take out one and can't take out the next one. So, Bam now is to go like this now. So take out the bolt this morning then. From morning, there before 6 o'clock, you know. Before 6 o'clock, the man pull the car and go to the car and start work, and I don't know. People are so big, get a criminal my car for work, man. Yeah, people ask me, why I get criminal my car for work, man? This is the man pull my car and go to my car. Trust me, people. But my face at the chunk, because like the chunk never lock. See me? It's like the chunk never lock. So like him go through the chunk and pull the side door and just pull up the door them there, so you see me? Yeah. Alright, oh boy, I tell you. But anyway, my people, I'm there and up to now, I tell you the truth, up to now, we don't see no progress right now. Because I'm still a pull off, but up to now, yes, guys. Up to now, nothing no gone.
Are you welding? I'm trying to tell me that you're not welding.
Okay, work in the place for this one. How does it work?
I look at them time for me.
You put them there? Right, is them there?
Yeah.
Eh? Them no. Oh. It's a danger, I see him turn off and run come in at the place. I'm gone. They gone a different spot. They gone a different spot. Yeah man, them not gonna stay long. Yeah, them not gonna stay long unless them hold something. Yeah. The people were there upon it. Upon it, the people. Shorty. Hey, man, them over this. Go them over this. The man there already made them, you know. Yeah, man, the man there, what I call them now? Those are prisoners them bring out, come cut the grass, they say, see me? Yeah, man. Jaja know. Yeah, man, anti-restaurant, nice and clean. Shorty with our goods them. Coconut and so forth, yeah. Oh, there are people, see? But as they are going, all the vibes are going, watch them do. And now pray to God that him get through and do all them do and finish up the work, you see? By a little more, drop in, cause man say a the bolt a give him problem, but he might cut the bolt, cause see him have the welding pan them, I say him have to cut the bolt, so and drop in a different bolt, use a different bolt. A cut in there still, is it my people? Yeah, man, I want about that cut in there, but you know, him say once you get a good bolt back, put in it, it got no problem. Like, I fix muffler too, you know. Yeah, man, I feel welding pan that, and I fix muffler and do welding. I want to say, look, a problem, I'm not sure where they stop, right, people. I never see that this is part of the car, that's so damage. I never see that. Once it's true, they whenever they overheat, the battery, something they overheat, we never see it with people, trust me. And you see it now with people, and him now show me, I say, boy, see this so damage. So right away, probably take a little longer because he have to weld this before he put in the engine back. You see me? I have to weld this so. You see me? So we just tell him, say, boy, just weld it up. You see what I did? And everything fix up the little bumper. You know? Everything do some work on it. So everything go on do some work on it still. You see? Yeah, man. So, there are people. Just go and watch and see what go on. See? Yeah, man. Soon tune in again and show the progress of what go on. You copy? Yeah. People trust me, not tell you lie, I don't know, but it's a mixed feeling, a whole complete mixed feeling, because it's like from yesterday, the man started to work on the car. It's like everybody I give me a bad impression pertaining to what I say. The man not gonna do a good job. Probably cause problem for me otherwise. Everybody have that talk. I say, boy, he not gonna do a good job, you know. Man, him cause more problem in your car, you know. See? But right now, it seems to look part in the car where bus off from the show earlier on the video my people. And it's like he might have fixed this up. So him the welder, he can do welding work too, see? He can do body work. See what I did? But as well say my people, him learn trade. And when him learn trade, him learn mechanic, welding, body work. See me? Him learn mechanic, welding and body work. I don't know if him learn electrical. See him? But I have to ask him. See me? But him learn them trade, but he mostly do the body work and the welding, because him go work like him work with a company as a body man. They weld up thing and cut up vehicle and patch vehicle and join up vehicle together. And already, yeah, so other work them employ as, but as I'm sure say more time they work on certain things and certain make them can't do it, and him have to just step in and do it, and I say, whoa, but you know the world fully. So him kind of give me an argument to kind of, when I use the word now, to kind of influence me. You see him? To believe in him. Understand my people influence, but you know, in our life, we never try to carry on nobody or hold on nobody, because same as how the next mechanic man, I see him where them learn trade and can do them things, but you know, probably him not do film work, probably him not do the work long time. I mostly do body work and welding work. See? So that me I said to him, say, mine, me agree, say you know the work, you learn the trade, because you can pull like you know. But otherwise from that, mine you forgot certain things. I don't remember how to do certain things because for a long time. So no, you know what I do. See? But everybody come my people, I give me a bad impression. But the mechanic I say, boy, be careful because him a shuffler, he don't know him a do, him a thief, I don't know my people. God say I know. It's like to get me upset. See? For run him and tell him to lower my car. But I'm not going to run him still, you see me? Because I want him to do, roll up the part upon it, roll it up. I want him to, any little thing him say to do, I want him to do it. So let him go and work with people. God knows let him go and work. See me? Let him go and work. in the comment section let me know when you think about it, people. If you don't think me I think the right way, but I really want underrate nobody and downgrade nobody, but you don't know you want your work to do. That is it, and who is me if you say me is not a trade man? Me can't do the work. Where I do me can't do it. Understand me? So who is me if you say him don't know the work? If you hear it, make sure tell him. Tell him say there are a lot of critics. People, everybody I bash him. I tell him say boy, if you run him, enough bet him do the work, I don't know him do and blah blah blah, all kind of argument. See? And him turn to me and I say, oh yourself man. I bet the whole of them shame. See? So I look back in the night again and say, I bet the whole of them shame. I wonder what is in pre? Yeah, that's some people, yeah, what is in pre? But you know, if man just do a good job, I bet everybody say, whoa, you're good man, I will never know. Say, I saw you're good man, Mr. Boy. What you can do, you know what I mean? People just come and say, you see it? We tell you, say, let him go and let him work for your car, because you know him do. We tell you, say, jump, no? But, so far, my people, I say, I go and wall out, have faith in the Almighty God, and swear him do, because who is me to judge a person? And say, him don't know where I do from him know where I do. No, me can't be that person to be that judge. See what I mean? Yeah. So the whole thing about it is that say watch and say mother. Just watch him and say mother. That me have to do. Just watch him and say mother. Simple as that. You see? So they are my people. You see? Yeah man. So where you moving over now?
Yeah? Pull off. You can enjoy it.
Enjoy.
Yeah?
But it can dry.
Where is it?
Where you say I do?
Finish pull off, I pull off, just can lift it out.
Okay.
I put all them top out there and everything. In the meantime.
And take off them for hamburg it for avoid from bunks upon this.
Yeah man, I don't have a problem with that.
Take off them there.
You can know? I'll see it, huh?
Yeah, but take them off guys.
I'll take one, put on the other one.
No, I say if you take them off, when you lift them out, them no bunks upon this. You give yourself the space.
Oh. Tell me. Alright.
Because if them don't come off it now, they can't lift out. That's all? I remember say them will go up on the next one, so basically...
I don't want to pull it off yet. I want to pull up that thing yet.
Oh.
Because you should the belt everything upon it, and you have a look on the front, to get the line up where you line up back there.
Okay. So this one lift out to the belt everything. So.
Everything on the front, I don't scrap off there.
We take out that one then. The ACL So I get someone to come help you. So you say I get someone to come help you now.
Yeah, I get that man. The one I want to say me and two come on and me right now you there I want help them. I'm here working and same.
No, but the thing is that van they have more space more than this. This is a thing we can pop things can pop off and so forth.
I mean go call man flip it out for me and buy them a drink. I'm alone around there where keep me know nobody down there. Me go get man go into the store. I might not them not like ready for this car. I mean to them. I mean.
Who the man in the garage attack?
Man in the garage attack. I'm not saying me. I tell me I say the best thing. You not take all this with
so I say I cannot go to one of the mechanic like how you're my good friend.
I say best thing when I do like how we are going to pull out the body. We are trouble the body.
Oh, because yeah, them usually take out the body for lift out the yeah, them usually do that, yeah.
We have to take it out. Come on, let me go and do what I do.
Alright then.
If more any problem I have, I call you.
Call me for help you?
Any problem at all now?
Me can't help you?
No, I say any problem at all, I call you.
When you can't give you the work and pay, I can't help you.
Any advice more? Or anything you come to?
Okay, advice. Okay. Then you know, the mechanic, you call your friend mechanic where you're in there and make them ask them advice on me.
Yeah man, me do all of them there on me 100%.
Alright.
This man, me and them get talk about that.
Alright then.
So them cut the boat with the palm muffler, I cut it.
Alright.
Cut down and you come over with the wood and the boat. No, no problem.
Alright. Go on, sir. Go on, sir. The sunny. Go on, sir. Right at my yard fence, so I say, take up them piece of block there. You can carry them back where we go, you know? Alright, people. Right, as you hear him say. So my plan is this now, my people. Is all I say a while ago is like at the whole complete thing him will drop out. It's like him now take out the engine alone, like him want to drop out the engine and the transmission and go. But I say no. He's supposed to just he must say if I drop it out, if I drop it ground, and the transmission and the engine I have to drop a ground. But if him take it out, sorry my people, sorry. If him take it out, him can take out just take out the engine alone up through the bonnet. Okay. Okay my people, I don't know, but just comment and let me know your opinion when you think about what I say. Or where I say, or when you think about when you see I go on, if you feel say him know what I do. Let me know my people, see? Yeah man. In the comment section let me know what I go on. You copy? Yeah. So I'm there, I kick back same here. And I use it. See it? Yeah man. I'm there. I'm gonna look black. One black him come with. Alright people, soon join back again. Well my people, Rasta just informed me a while ago say the engine get licked, engine mash up. I said the engine get licked for true. Bearings, like in bearings them get mash up. I say a water and oil him say I run out of it a while ago. So I said the engine no get mash up. I know water mix up with that my people because you cannot throw water in a so much water going, no? Where the water you go. So, you know? Some might have spirit and some are go in the aisle and mix up in the aisle. So the water and oil mix up together. You know? We just pray for the best thing. Yeah man. And also this engineer. I first buy an engine still my people. Yeah man, I first buy an engine I work and put in a car. I always work on me, you know, like me the head gas stick that lick and skim it and so forth, but I never buy an engine yet. I never work on a bottom half yet. So bearings get lick and I never work on a bearing, you know? Trust me. At the first I buy an engine and change. I buy a transmission already. Yeah, I buy a transmission already. Transmission done. I buy a transmission more than one time. See? Never buy an engine. Never buy an engine. But you know, all the years I drive, I don't mash up engine, but transmission that thing where you get rear. See? Something like get rear, so you find say you can't find reverse. You know? Always, because my problem with my transmission is always can't find reverse. Always can't go in a reverse. Always can't go in a reverse. I'm have to buy a transmission. Trust me. I don't know why. That don't make sense. You drive car when you can't go in a reverse. So maybe I'm going to buy a transmission. But no, it'll be more problematic now because transmission things them get so dear. I look on an engine now, my friend. Huh? You know, some people, if me go, like for instance, then if me say for instance, say, me have the money then my people, I could have go to Bram and go buy a one of them car. Somebody has sell with the engine good in it for 250,000. I'm gonna get a whole complete car from somebody who want to sell it and say, boy, should the car, the body not look good or support. They want to sell it 250,000. See, sometimes you get for 200 because I want to sell it, understand me? But the engine of the car good. And the car you want, and the engine you want, you get an engine, you get transmission, you get, you understand me? Windows and doors and bonnet and everything. So basically, to all the things set. Yeah man, people, so that is it. You can hear me I say? Yeah man, that is it. Yeah man. A car. A man I sell a car. Like I say, like all of them cars, you know, you see park up the salon people. See? Alright. Have it there as a park. So the body look and support the man have it park, alright. A man go if you have a look problem, they even know the problem, you check it out the car and start and drive. You see me? I say, give me 250,000 feet. I say, give me 300,000 feet. I say, 250 me about 280 me. And you ball down to 200. What's up you? I understand when people just illustrate. And they get it for that. And you come, where you want out of it, you know, is the engine. See? Where you want out of it is the engine. Bam, you drop out the engine. Bam, you was a bam. And you put in the engine in your vehicle where you want for going on, the engine going on. Alright. You have a transmission, now you see transmission, you can sell it 100,000. Bam, you can sell the bonnet, you can sell fender, you can sell bumper, you can sell, understand me? You can sell steering, you can sell mirror, you can sell, yes, you understand me? So basically, the whole thing about it, to all engine I sell there, one engine I sell for 100,000. One engine I sell for 100,000. So basically, if them give the people the priority, guys, it's alright then. For instance, them people, we don't know a car a 1.8 mil, yeah, but when a car reaching a certain age in Jamaica, nobody not buy it. If I want to buy it, find them, I want to give more than 100,000 or 200,000. I tell you that my people, you can't drive, but treat not body. You know, spend the money on it and keep it up in a good condition. See, because you know, some people have a car for 10 years and it look good, 15 years and it look good same, while some people have a car for 5 years and it look like at 20 years ago them have the car. Yeah. So you see how them cars now? I want to spend money and fix up, so I want to sell it fast for 200,000. Engine good, transmission good. So when a man goes to buy a man sell over that, he end up getting $160,000 back out time money when spend. Get $160,000 back out time money when spend. Just like that. See it? Yeah man. So, there are people, so I'm going to watch and swim, man. I'm going to watch the flex. I'm going to flex to the floor, too. See? Yeah, man. We're there upon it. Remember to like the video, share the video, comments, subscribe, okay? And watch the video from the beginning to the end. Love it, my people. Bless up to yourself. Just don't know. Just go and observe and see what I'm going. So, see where I'm dealing with again. You see? People, the mechanic version just passed through. Trust me. I feel so good. You look at people there.
You go for yourself, man. Is it?
Maybe the most member I can come for enough of a video. You to this one. You see, but through him garage move and him going up to, you know, but him say sharp bass are going good, him say Rasta going good so far. You see, Rasta? Hey.
Yeah, man.
Hey. Yeah, man, you get a ticket. Yeah, go on. You see?
When you garage work and the China man and when the garage mechanic work, go on the road and thing them, I mean tell you to pull out the engine and thing there. You mean that don't see them bother jump on it no. I just pull out the engine and thing there. And then we have a Escort 1600 they push that. And if say we go shop, I say we cook salt mackerel and dumpling for lunch. And when they behind the banana tree stay so watch me now. I see everything we want to do for start the engine, you know. Everything and boost up bomb and start it and thing, you know. We go buy the salt mackerel and come back by the time say boss. You know, so we can catch time for 9 minutes. They said, no man, you're betting $5,000 everybody in the garage now. I said, no man, we can't deal with it man, so everybody put 5,000. That means the boss will give everybody workers, every one of the workers them 5,000.
Yeah.
When me come and me put in by the push of them and thing. And then let them at the time and thing there. And one they can start that. Yeah. Over there work on one of them car there now, B12, and change main bearings, one up on the piston, all of them thing there. And get everything around, because it's stuck on our thing there. When we check it out, the whole of the bearings and burn up. Water going in the engine because it overheat and thing there. You know what I mean? You see the boat them all along the head?
Yeah.
We have one washer. The man them mechanic them work on it, 2 washers them put on. The rest of the boat them have no washer at all.
Okay.
So I don't want to mix up and time things. You pull out everything there, pull up the crankcase and look in there. Everything we train night, we stop the top overheat. They run the crankshaft and the main bearings, because no oil can't touch one there. So this is the burn up, the show that it causes everything there for burn up, the bearings them for burn up. And them say, carry the crankshaft go, the crankshaft go machine shop. I say, me crankshaft, I say, me a machine shop. And the Chinaman show me everything. Get the knots and paper. You got new brand in the eye. And just put the eye on the sandpaper and thing and go so. Yeah, and I don't put in by the bearings and thing. You got to clear up the crankshaft and put in by the bearings and thing. One lick. So I start and just like 1 mile when I hear no sound and no problem at all. Just go park at my gate. You want a long time in this now.
Alright, go on do your work, my Dan. Come on, go on do your work. So you take, mother. Trust me, man, run left town.
I go attack it, man. I go back uptown. I the youth, I come pick up them.
Oh, you're youth?
Yeah, I'm down North Street, so.
Okay. When I use the North, so you come back to town, come to the garage again.
Now up at Constant Spring, up at
Cassava Place.
Yeah,
Manizin.
cross.
Obviously fast still no but I come up there now. Better find up the man, trust me. Probably when the car fix up, better find up
Cassava
there.
Peace Gully.
I call him, man. I call him, man. Because I have your number, man. So I call him.
You know Cassava Peace Gully?
I don't know Cassava Place so good, but they find a
You
way.
know Constant Police Station?
Yeah, I know Constant Spring Police
I
Station.
road there, come down upon me.
Okay.
Drop back in Cassava Peace Gully this.
Oh.
Why you say the gully side?
Right, one local shop there, right on the road, local road, they go down to the gully side.
Yeah.
You can turn down and drop it back on the main road.
That's the one, yeah.
Hey, you too. Charlie, I'm glad to see you still. I'm not like a good while, I'm not see you, brother. You know, say, how may you live? We live like brother, because the day when you come at the shop, the day when me driving at the shop, bro, and drive go around, they say, we drive go with the youth. When they say, nothing. I say, wait, where the blood down is? Nothing, bro, around there clean out. I say, no, man, that's so long I don't come here, so. That youth move, I don't know. Judge and no star, I'm not telling a lie. Yeah, man, people. So, a mechanic that I work on my car most of the time, straight. Yeah, man, beauty. Zane, yeah, man. I work on my car straight, I tell you. So, it's like I got to sell him come right or so now when my car there. But you know, look at him say everything alright. I must say, I'm go on so good. Him just tell him say where the muffler where him pull, that's the bolt where him pull, him shouldn't pull it. Him should just take it off of the pull it off of the manifold. You see me? And take it off more easier. So that's the only thing him tell him say him shouldn't. Where him should. See me? Yeah, so. So now I look at Axar now if you cut off the bolt, because the bolt now come out, so you shouldn't touch it for true, because the bolt now. Yeah. Alright, we are link up, man. I come link you up, man. Yeah, man. So, you tell that my people, see it? That's my brother in youth, you know? Yeah, enough respect to him every time. You know, people, I cut off the bolt now and so I go on, so.
friend. And I did not come up. And it's a turn on, drop off.
Try the wrong bolt to pull still, try to take that for the manifold as him say,
No,
no?
you couldn't put it on the manifold. I don't know if pull
And
that.
them pull them bolt there, no?
Eh?
Muffler man pull them bolt there. Them pull them bolt there. But probably through your muffler man you try to pull it, but you have to get it fixed, no problem. Go on there,
This
thing.
part, you pull it down, you pull this one. By trust it. Pull off of the manifold on the engine itself. Turn it now, the screen for drop off on the boat. Spin and you just spin it and drop off it. Come way out, but I don't drop off it. And nearly come out, And the fucking thing don't want to come out, man.
Alright people, so that is it. Buy a little lunch. So I say not tell customers thanks when customers come and support and don't say thank you. You're welcome and please come again. Now look at customers courtesy. I mean, I deserve it. Just one of them, let me know. Alright. So if they don't show me no form of courtesy towards supporting, you know, trust me. No form of courtesy at all. You're supposed to say thank you. Yeah, when fire come and say thank you, you're welcome, please come again. Yeah. That's our business you on, man. You see me? We say thank you, please come again and enjoy your lunch. Yeah. You show some customers appreciation. You can't pay, but you know some people stay. When them at work, them don't go, you know? I work, so they don't really care, you know. They want to try to show appreciation to the people them where for instance, where can buy them a lunch or a person who them spirit may take. You understand me? Yeah, no? Yeah. Like most of these people, them ball out for up and down. You know them way there? Yeah. So when I hear them talk about VAT, we don't to pay them no mind. You see me? But you know, in every business you do, you have to have some form of courtesy. Yeah, man. It goes a long ways. Customers' appreciation goes a long way. Yeah. Me talk about it because first of all, shall say. First of all, shall look for me and say. First of all, yeah. Me no turn on the camera and go and order the food. Me never have video, nothing at all. And yeah, me no want a video, me not put a video, no. I never have video. I never answer to my people because, you know, me never do no video. You see me? Then she don't say thank you. I'm saying she didn't even give me the vibes to eat the food, trust me. Trust me. I'm not telling a lie. She didn't even give me the vibes to eat the food. For real. It's like we don't even want the food again. No? Some people don't know how to treat customers. At least say thank you and enjoy your lunch. Yeah. But through you open yourself. I want a video, you know. I never have a video. I wasn't videoing. You see me? The video on the start. After she talk, say, I don't want no video. I'm turning on my camera now. So I'm turning on my camera. And I say, but if I buy something you don't want my video with me, I buy. What you hiding? You see me? Yeah. He said, shut up. I said, no, you're not for day night. I just video what? You're not for day night. If your body day, even day night, your face not for day night. You understand me? That's how you do it. Go. Probably through your share, probably your hand in it's sharing, but your face not for day night. Your face not, the body not for know who share the food. You see me? So those are the way things set my people. So that's how when people working in a business space that is not for them own, them intend to invite customers where them spirit take. In other words, then, yeah, man. They're planning with people, see? Yeah, man. Cha-cha no. Yeah, what me do, let's take out the food. See, fuck ya. Yeah, man, but short, man. But just eat the food, you know?
Yeah,
Girl, the two faces, she don't give me no courage for eat the food. Yeah, man. What me don't take it out? A curry goat, yeah? A curry goat. And get strength for work, you know? So we just, we don't know, but we just, no? She don't get no farmer to enjoy the food, so I just give short basket, because in there I work on the car, so I give him it. See, let him eat lunch and go and work, you see? Yeah, man. Encouragement, sweeten labor. Come on to your son, bro. Yeah, man. So, short boss. Yeah, man, short boss. Rasta. Rasta. Hmm? Man, put some strength in your body, man, and work again. See?
Yeah.
And drink some. The best thing to drink of water, that's true. Alright, drink some ice water if you want. So the food that we buy my people, we just bet Rasta go and eat that, you know. The girl sell me the food and she don't tell me, she don't say, thank you. She turned me off. Yeah, my people, so that is it. Yeah, man, so I go and I drink Arizona, you know? Yeah, for the time, I mean, I eat the food, we get the rest of the food, so let's enjoy it, you know? Yeah, man. Just buy Arizona and I drink Arizona, people. Big up on yourself, enough respect every time you're in. Yeah, man, I'm there about time. Go and watch and see what going on, people.
Look at the car.
Cut? Drop off.
So I want to have the muffler drop down a long time. You know the water in the car? No, boss.
If me have water, you know? Yeah.
I try to pull it and you realize say, can't pull it off like that.
So I don't know. It come down.
Yeah. Different thing we have done.
Okay.
I take out a short piece.
Hey, Rasta, tell me something. So how you use fire and no water no there?
Eh?
How you use fire and it they say no water for cool it down if anything?
This part there, you're far from all damage.
No, but the iron, the metal run hot still.
The metal, yeah,
And fire the pant and run red. So it want the water for cool on the redness of fight.
No water. It's not really clear. Understand? The roasting slip on it make it clear. Where it go?
So another fire you use? I screw it out.
Yeah, screw it, but when you do fire at it first, get it red.
Oh, but
I'll be a dirt and them thing there in it.
so you say it drop down though?
It drop down.
Muffler come down.
Yeah, muffler come down, but at the same time,
You have to cut this bolt out tight.
take out that bigger piece here.
Oh.
Can not and bolt hold the front and not hold the back. So take out what are there.
Okay. What going on, Rasta?
I hope me to know now. That more.
So you say what me I pull the boat, rest of the boat them on the sun.
Yeah.
Burn the pipe there, sir.
I need to bolt me and search for you.
So one bolt you search.
Yeah.
Well, it's probably up on the manifold.
No, manifold drop down already. Manifold on the pant again. See there, I walk me, see there?
The manifold on the pant again.
No man, it drop down on the ground.
So after the manifold pull off of the engine.
No, it's muffler me at time.
Oh. Find them car pull it on.
I'm telling you. That's for you.
So you know, so tomorrow you're there work on the same, you know that?
Tomorrow, see it open there. And look right through to the next one.
Anyway, you're still there, they are work on it.
He coming now, go. Right through. See me, I say I don't know, but I look for the next bowl. You guys try what me for wider.
So you have to make sure you find out of the boat them, you know.
Yeah, come here, say.
I remember saying don't pull off the way by yourself.
No one think you
The
think.
gas line, that's don't pull off, you know.
We know. We not trouble.
Alright, people, I don't know. I make a look up break walk, you know, trust me, you know. Never make a look up walk because why it's like, I don't know. But to me, it's like him now. Because I tell him say tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm there, see me. I work on it because I have the body work. I have the body work I do. And all of that, so tomorrow I'm there, see me. Shine it, what go on? So, you know. Tomorrow, same here, my people. But I don't know, in God, I put my trust. You see me? And I give him faith. I give him confidence. You see my people? Yeah, I give him faith, hopes, and confidence in himself to do it. Because you learn the trade, and you know, you remember what you do. Because one thing we know, my people, enough mechanic race out there right now. Where the mechanic work can't start an engine on the ground, you know. Yeah man, them can't start an engine on the ground. Let me tell you that, my people, trust me. Enough mechanic out the road right now. So, if him can't start an engine on the ground, he better than enough mechanic. But I'll choose him to really do the work. And stick to him body work. See me? But I already tell my mechanic virgin youth him start engine pan gong. So I know him work. You see it? You might know him work, man. So bless up, John, come on, bless up. So I know him work, bro. I'm not telling you that, I know him work. Serious stuff. Know him work. So we're there to start getting people. We're so I go, see? Whoa. Lord of mercy. Up. To you, my people. I am here right now, kicking back and relaxing. Just keep on doing everything and keep on swinging. Singing my song and riding the rhythm. Lord of God, my people, I want you to hear what I have to say now. Say this is something for you. I may say love and respect every time. And Lord of God, love and respect every time. I saw me really love my people, Lord, me say me respect them. Love everybody as a human being. Because you don't know, Lord, we are the same system. The whole of we are one and we are brethren, same we. I love each and every one. Lord of God, we say we love each and every one. That's how the world must run, you know, we no response. And all them are come with them division. And look come now and come with them separation. And them little thing, them a mash up the plan. And through them not understand the nation. Say this is one and out of many strong. Say anytime we come, we say we come put. Lord of mercy, Jesus Christ. Pull up and come again, my people. You know, 1 June of this. You see it? Yeah, man. Jamaica land love. I copy my people every time. You see? Just like that. I don't know, my people. We give thanks and praise to everything. And so far, for the support for the rest of the day. I don't know necessarily the things that my people with the mechanical I'm going with. So for you can just give me the comments and let me know what you think about what I'm doing. No? and all these things. So I look forward for to support my people. Just subscribe. One of the biggest ways that will support my people by subscribe, like, and share the video. You copy? Yeah, man, one of the biggest support that I can give to me. I tell you that, my people. You see? Yeah. Once it reaches, I know say continue support me, them from away that a lifetime support them. You understand my people? Yeah. Them support they continue go right back to till when YouTube out for end all the support. So right through them support ya, I don't keep on be a lifetime support. So I appreciate all the support my people. You see? Yeah, man. So big up on yourself, enough respect. Look out for my next video again, tomorrow again, my people. You see? Yeah. That is it. You can't pay me. I see how far the car will reach still and see how it will reach tomorrow. Because I don't really rush him again, my people, because a year ago I know. If I find a look part there for well, I bet him find and reel it up and look if any more thing there and whatever you can do, just do it. You know, I don't use nothing again, my people, trust me. So, you don't know nothing about beat the time, so I don't really rush nothing again. I just take it easy and do it me have to do. You copy? Yeah, man, just like that. So, until the next time, my people, love and respect. Remember to comment and share, likes. You copy? Yeah, man, that is it. Subscribe, my people.